General Secretary, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nga sina ngawe banyanjudde amanya bampita Simwe Anthony nga nza myuka president wa banamateeka wa Uganda Law Society ayitibwa Isaac Kimaze Semakadde. Era nyumiridde wano ne Secretary General abatula kakiiko akafuga oba akakulembera banamateeka bannaffe abatasobodde kubaawo maybe okubategeezaako nti abamu bali mu tugoberera ku mukutu wadde tebasobodde kubeera wano kuba abamu babeera mu mambuka mu Maserengeta bakiikira eyo ne balooya baffe bannaffe abalala batugoberera balinaffe mu kusaba kuno. Nga sineeyongerayo munnanzikiriza nsabe mukyala Amina tuze twogera ku kakiiko ke bayita section 3C committee akakulira chairperson taliiwo naye nja kusaba Amina wadde mu lufuutifuuti ayogere ekigambo kimu bibiri ku lw'ensonga nti kakiiko kakulu nnyo ku nsonga ezikwatagana n'okulwanirira bannamateeka kuba twagenza okukizuula nga akaseera kettuuseemu ate bannamateeka mu kukola mirimu gyaffe fe ate bwe batandise okulumba fe abatulugunyizibwa so tulwanirira ddembe ly'abantu abalala ate nga tetuyinza kwerabira okwerwanako ffe nga bannamateeka. So nja musaba ayogereyo kimu bibiri ndyoke neeyongere mbawo obutumwa bwendeese.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nze Amina Achola mvalira naye ogenda kunsonyiwa Luganda tibibanyi ebigambo nyingi naye Luganda lutonotono. So I'm going to ask permission to speak English because the message, I don't want it to get lost in translation. I am Amina. I'm part of the Section 3C committee. This is a new committee that has been put in place in response to what lawyers such as Haji Lukwago are going through. On the committee, I serve as the coordinator for international solidarity in this fight. We have the chairperson who sends her regrets. She is not able to attend today, but she has sent me with a message to deliver on her behalf. So, in response to this, we came up with the Section 3C, which has been put in place to protect lawyers in the course of their legal work. This is because lawyers are now very important. If a lawyer is attacked, that is more or less human rights now being violated free of charge. And also, in protecting lawyers, we also ensure that lawyers have good conditions of practice. We don't want lawyers getting arrested anywhere, anyhow, being charged with offenses that they shouldn't be charged with. We don't want our lawyers getting intimidated because a lawless society is a failed one. What we've done under Section 3C, we've not just stopped at making statements. We've been documenting these issues. We've reached out to stakeholders. And if you follow closely, there's been so many statements that have come in condemning the actions of the state on Haji Lukwago, condemning the manner in which court is acting, and urging us to keep on the fight, to stand in solidarity with members of the bar. My own message, and from the Section 3C committee today, is that let everyone, this is not a time to sit still and be helpless, but rather this is a time for everyone to do what you can do. Each and every one of us has something that you can contribute to this fight. If you can pray, then make dua. Every day make dua. In the language, if you can't speak Arabic, make it in language, make it in English, make it in Luganda, but nevertheless, say something to Allah. For those who can contribute in one way or another, supporting the lawyers, I also call upon you to do that. This is our joint fight. Standing with Council Lukwago right now is a debt that we owe to him, because he has stood there for us, he has been there for Ugandans. Now is not the time to cower and sit down and lament. We are not helpless. We can do something, and that is all that we have to say as Section 3C. As we fight, let it be a joint fight. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, Amina.